As today's warfighters go into harm's way, they face many severe threats, among the greatest of which is fire. Now, Global Safety Labs removes fire from the equation with Arctic Fire Freeze and Spentex. Arctic Fire Freeze is a revolutionary, fast-acting, super-cooling, non-toxic fire suppression formula with a proven track record of unprecedented success in the highly hazardous steel industry, with 8 documented lives saved and countless injuries avoided so far. Spentex is a state-of-the-art fireproof cloth derived from carbon fiber that will not burn, will not char, will not shrink, will not melt, and will not off-gas toxic fumes. Spentex not only offers unprecedented safety and protection, but wearability comfort as well. Andy Allen is a former Marine Corps fighter pilot, having logged over 6,000 flight hours in more than 30 aircraft types. With over a decade's experience in NASA's Space Shuttle program and a veteran of 3 shuttle missions, he has flown over 900 hours in space. Coating bare skin with Arctic Fire Freeze protects the wearer from fire and high heat events. Even under direct exposure to a blowtorch burning at over 1900 degrees, the skin is totally protected. A brand new Nomex flight suit and a Spentex flight suit are exposed to a 5-second flash burn. The Nomex flight suit is quickly destroyed. The Spentex flight suit is unharmed and could withstand a much longer exposure and still protect the wearer. On the battlefield, tire fires are an extremely dangerous hazard that can render a vehicle combat ineffective. Once ignited, tire fires are extremely difficult to extinguish. Arctic Fire Freeze eliminates fire. Not only does Arctic Fire Freeze extinguish dangerous tire fires, its supercooling properties also quickly return the tire to ambient temperature, cool enough to touch. Reactive metals such as the magnesium used in Humvee run flats can burn at over 5,400 degrees. Once ignited, these dangerous fires can be nearly impossible to extinguish. Until now. Arctic Fire Freeze eliminates reactive metal fires. Arctic Fire Freeze not only extinguishes the fire, but after only a brief exposure, Arctic Fire Freeze's supercooling properties make molten metal cool enough to touch. Spentex can also be woven into a thicker material such as Global Safety Labs' revolutionary first responder blanket, which not only protects against fire, but provides thermal protection of up to 95%, leaving anything on the other side unharmed. This Humvee has been retrofitted with both an external and an internal fire suppression system, which can be adapted to protect virtually any vehicle. The external fire suppression system, which can be operated manually or automatically, immediately extinguishes the fire. The internal fire suppression system, which can also be operated either manually or automatically, immediately extinguishes the fire and protects the occupants from reignition without all of the dangers associated with the halon fire suppression systems currently in use. Ultra-fast fire suppression, ultra-safe thermal protection, super cooling, non-toxic, wearability comfort. When it comes to the question of fire survivability, Global Safety Labs' Arctic Fire Freeze and Spentex are the answer. Global Safety Labs, globalizing safety.